Hi everyone, and welcome to Know It All Haven. I'm Thomas, and today we're tackling one of the most surprisingly common space questions. Why can we see the moon during the day? Many people think the moon only belongs in the night sky, but if you've ever looked up and spotted a pale, ghostly moon in the middle of the afternoon, you're not alone. And guess what? That's perfectly normal. Let's break it down. First of all, the moon doesn't produce any light of its own. What we see is sunlight reflecting off the moon's surface. Just like a mirror reflects light from a lamp, the moon reflects sunlight right into our eyes. So, if sunlight is always hitting the moon, why don't we always see it? It all comes down to positioning. Specifically, the position of the moon relative to the Earth and the sun. When the moon is on the same side of Earth as the sun, or at certain angles close to it, some of that reflected light reaches us during the day. The moon is often visible during first quarter and last quarter phases. That's about half the days of every month. And here's a fun fact. You'll almost never see the moon during the full moon in the daytime, because that's when it's on the opposite side of the Earth from the sun. That's why it rises as the sun sets and stays visible only during the night. So why can't we see the stars during the day? The answer is brightness. The moon is about 100,000 times brighter than the brightest star we can see from Earth. Even though stars produce their own light, they're much farther away than the moon, and sunlight scattered by our atmosphere drowns them out completely. That scattered sunlight, by the way, is what gives us our beautiful blue sky. It's called Rayleigh scattering, and it's the same effect that makes sunsets red and oceans appear blue. But the moon? It's close. It's bright. And if the conditions are right, like a clear sky and the correct angle, you can absolutely see it during the day. To sum it up, the moon reflects sunlight. Its visibility depends on its phase and position. It's visible during the day around the first and last quarter. And it's so bright that it outshines the blue of the daytime sky. So next time you see the moon in broad daylight, don't be surprised. Be impressed. That's it for today's episode of Know It All Haven. Subscribe to our channel. I'm Thomas. Thanks for listening. And remember, the more you understand the skies, the more amazing they become. Until next time, stay curious.